Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Step by Step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal adventures. Ready? Let's dive in. First, let's take a deep breath and say hello to our beautiful blue planet Earth. Our amazing world is full of surprises. Let's discover them together. Over 97% of Earth's surface is covered with water. This is why we call our planet the blue planet. And there are so many wonderful animals living in the sea. But today we will learn about one of them. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe for more videos. So let's meet an adorable octopus. Do you know what an octopus is? An octopus is a marine animal with 8 arms. They live in the sea and are found all over the world. Octopuses can change color to camouflage themselves or to attract prey. Most octopuses live in shallow water, but some can be found at depths of up to 6,000 feet. They are also known to be very intelligent creatures. Now let's draw an adorable octopus. To draw an octopus, start by drawing a circle for its head. Connect the head to its 8 arms. Then add details such as suckers and lines throughout the arms. Color the octopus and add a background if you want. Draw another cute octopus. You can make it bigger or smaller, add more detail or keep it simple. It's up to you. Make sure to include all 8 of its arms. You can also draw the octopus swimming underwater surrounded by bubbles or playing with colorful coral. And here's a really fun idea. Draw an octopus with its tentacles wrapped around a treasure chest. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep trying even if your first drawing doesn't look exactly like an octopus. Have fun and be creative. And now let's play a game. What's the name of this animal? Let me give you a clue. It has 8 legs and 2 tentacles. Do you know the answer? It's an octopus. Well done. Next, let's learn about another animal. Did you know that dolphins are highly intelligent mammals? Dolphins are found in both fresh and salt water. They can live up to 20 years. Dolphins use echolocation to find food and navigate. They also have a dorsal fin that helps them steer in the water. And dolphins are known for their grace, cuteness, intelligence, and playfulness. Now let's draw a cute dolphin. Start with a curved line for the dolphin's body. Add a triangle for the dorsal fin and a circle for the head. Connect the head to the body with a curved line. Now add 2 small circles for the eyes. Finish off with the tail and a couple of fins. Color the dolphin and add a background. Draw another adorable dolphin. You can make it bigger or smaller, add more detail or keep it simple. Make sure to include its dorsal fin and tail. You can also draw the dolphin jumping out of the water or swimming alongside a human. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep trying even if your first drawing doesn't look exactly like a dolphin. Have fun and be creative. And now let's play a game. What's the name of this animal? Let me give you a clue. It's a mammal that lives in the water and has a dorsal fin. Do you know the answer? It's a dolphin. Well done. And finally, let's learn about another amazing animal. Sharks are found in both salt and fresh water around the world. They have a streamlined body and powerful tail that allows them to swim quickly through the water. Sharks are carnivorous and feed on fish and other marine animals. They also have sharp teeth and powerful jaws that they use to eat their prey. Sharks are important to the health of the ocean ecosystem. Now let's draw a ferocious shark. Start with a pointed nose for the shark's snout. Add a circle for the eye. Connect the nose to the body with curved lines. Now add a triangle for the dorsal fin and the tail. Finish off with some sharp teeth and gills. Color the shark and add a background. Draw another fierce shark. You can make it bigger or smaller, add more detail or keep it simple. Make sure to include its dorsal fin and powerful tail. You can also draw the shark swimming in the ocean, hunting for fish or just relaxing. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep trying even if your first drawing doesn't look exactly like a shark. Have fun and be creative. And now let's play a game. What's the name of this animal? Let me give you a clue. It's a carnivorous fish with sharp teeth and a powerful tail. Do you know the answer? It's a shark. Well done. That's the end of today's lesson. Please write in the comments which animal you like the most. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye!